If you use ThriveCart and Mailchimp together, this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically add ThriveCart customers to your Mailchimp list using Zapier, so every new purchase can be sent straight into your email audience without you doing anything manually. This is perfect if you want to build your list faster. Keep your customer data organized and make sure no buyer slips through the cracks. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create. This is where you'll start building your automation. Then click Zaps because a zap is what Zapier calls an automated workflow. Now we need to set up the trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. Click Trigger, then search for ThriveCart and select it from the list. After that, click on Choose an Event. For this workflow, select Product Purchase. This means every time someone buys a product through ThriveCart, Zapier will detect that purchase and use it to start the automation. Next, connect your ThriveCart account by logging in and approving access when prompted. Make sure you're using the correct account that receives your sales. Once the trigger is connected, move on to the action step. Click Action, then search for Mailchimp and select it. Now click on Choose an Event and select Create Audience. Depending on your setup, this may also appear as adding a subscriber or creating a contact, but the goal is the same, sending your new ThriveCart customer into Mailchimp automatically. Connect your Mailchimp account by logging in and granting Zapier permission to access your audience. After both apps are connected, click Build It in the top area so Zapier can continue the setup. Here, you may be asked to map fields like email address, first name, and last name. Take a moment to match the ThriveCart customer data to the correct Mailchimp fields so your contacts are imported properly. This step is important because accurate field mapping helps you keep your email list clean and usable. When everything looks good, click Test Run. Zapier will try the workflow using sample data so you can check whether the trigger and action are working correctly. Review the results carefully. If the test is successful, that means ThriveCart is sending the customer information to Mailchimp the way you want it to. If something looks off, go back and adjust the field mapping before continuing. Once the test is successful, click Publish. That turns the automation on, and from that point forward, every new ThriveCart customer will be added to your Mailchimp list automatically based on the settings you chose. No more copy pasting, no more manual exports, and no more missed subscribers. And that's it. You've now set up an automation that connects ThriveCart to Mailchimp using Zapier. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.